So yeah, guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start registering video without having the further delay. So basically, this video is going to be the routine of 3rd June 2025, and today is Tuesday. And this video is going to be the routine of day 445th days of routine video. So let's start. So today, first of all, I wake up. Then after that, I studied. Then after that, I talked to my mother. Then after that, I washed my mouth. Then after that, I made a mango shake. Then after that, I ate with roti. That is, then after that I studied. So basically, this is the thing what is actually happened, and there is something happened on my chair's wheel, right? So that is solved, and after that. And after that my college dates it sole exam dates is out, so my college is college center for examination is the Ramjas college, right, which is situated, right. Then after that I started searching into the YouTube about the Ramjas college, maybe I think so route of going Ramjas college, these are the such kind of things what is actually happened. So at the time of I ate kulfi, right, I ate kulfi. Then after that I went to the Tuesday market. Then after that I came home. Then at the time of evening I ate food, and after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So yes guys, this is the thing what is actually happened. Now I'm gonna to revise the environmental science subject, some topics or something. So, 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by water, but only 2.5% is available fresh water. The freshwater resources include surface water and groundwater. Population explosion, urbanization, industrialization, and water pollution are the major cause of water-associated problems. Rainwater harvesting, watershed management, judicious use of water, construction of dams, etc. are the key steps for a sustainable water conservation and management. The problem of water scarcity can be solved by multi-purpose river projects which can fulfill various objectives like irrigation, hydroelectricity, flood control, fish breeding, etc. Now, natural resources, energy resources. Okay, so some energy is required by all living organisms and vegetation for the biochemical reactions of their cells. In fact, all living beings operate by means of energy. Energy moves the universe. About 99.8% of our energy comes from solar radiation. Growing energy needs is an index of national development. Energy is derived from both conventional and non-conventional resources. According to the World Energy Outlook's reference scenario, the energy needs of the world would be 50% higher in 2030 than today, with an average annual growth rate of 1.6%. India is among the fastest growing markets in the world and is expected to be the second largest contributor to the increase in global energy demand by 2035, accounting for 18% of the rise in global energy consumption. With limited fossil fuels reserve, the country has planned to increase its renewable and nuclear power industries. All conventional mineral-based energy resources such as fossil fuels are exhaustible. It is estimated that if we continue to use coal at the present rate, the available coal reserve will exhaust in the present century itself. India produces petroleum which fulfills only half of our requirements, and the remaining half is met by importing from other countries. Any energy source which provides an alternative to fossil fuel is called an alternate source of energy. India is now promoting many alternate renewable energy sources in order to meet the increasing demands of the increasing population. Now, pollution, air, noise, and nuclear pollution. Substances that are chapter 10. I'm going to jump. Right. Solid waste management and case studies. Substances that are not considered useful are categorized as waste. The origin of these can be domestic, industrial, construction, or agriculture. Waste management is important for the categorization of different types of waste and their proper handling. The increasing waste generation in the world has supported the 5R principle for waste management, which consists of reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and refuse. The hazardous wastes are generally treated by a method known as incineration, and organic waste is treated by the method of composting. Special treatment is required for e-waste and biomedical waste, as these can lead to serious health problems among people. Awareness and knowledge are the most important step in the reduction and management of waste. Okay, so these are the some topics what I heard. I read. Ganga Action Plan. River Ganga is so important and closely associated with Indian culture and civilization that is often designated as Ma the Mother, and is worshipped in India and is now the national river of India 2008. The Ganga is the ninth largest river in the world and the second largest in the India, with a length of 2,525 km from Gangotri to Ganga Sagar. It constitutes about 25.2% of water source in India. Several Himalayan rivers, including Mandakini, Alaknanda, Yamuna, Ghagra, Khandak, Kosi, etc., join it during its course. About 692 cities towns are located along its bank, of which 27 cities have a population of more than 1 lakh. More than 600 kilometer part of the river, particularly between Kanpur and Patna, is highly polluted. Every day it receives about 1300 million liters of the sewage and 250 million liters of chemical effluents. The main cause of pollution of Ganges water are the mixing of industrial effluents 20% and domestic and municipal effluents 80% into it. The following are the main cause of Ganga pollution: sediment load of the Ganga river and other associated rivers, sewage disposal of villages, towns and cities, discharge of industrial effluents, release of dead bodies of animal and human beings, cremation along the bank of river and disposal of cremation material and burnt and half burnt dead bodies of human beings, surface runoff of toxic chemicals, chemicals, pesticides, etc. The Bhopal gas disaster, commonly known as Bhopal gas tragedy, it is to date the ghastliest industrial disaster in the world. The incident took place on 2 to 3rd December night 1984 at the Union Carbide Industrial Plant in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, meant for the production of 7 a pesticide. Over 40 tons of methyl isocyanate (MIC) gas escaped from the Union Carbide pesticide plant, which instantaneously killed nearly 3,800 inhabitants and caused considerable despondency and early death for several thousand. Estimates from various sources vary on the death toll. Another agency claimed over 15,000 deaths. As per government sources in 2006, the leak caused 5.58.125 injuries with disabling injuries. The vent gas scrubber, a safety device, had been turned off 3 weeks prior. It becomes apparent that a defective valve permitted a load of water that was meant for clean up of the internal pipelines, which got mixed with 40 tons of MIC. When MIC is exposed to 200 degrees Celsius heat, the formed more deadly hydrogen cyanide HCN gas. The evidence gathered does reveal the temperature of the storage tank reached that disastrous level. The effects of this tragedy were ophthalmic, chemosis, redness, watering, ulcers, photophobia, respiratory, psychological, neurobehavioral, visual, respiratory, etc. So okay, so these are the some key points about the. And if I talk about the air pollutions are divided into the following categories: aerosols and VOCs, other hydrocarbons, particulate matter, inorganic and organic, oxides of carbon, oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen. So these are the some a kind of air pollutions. The air pollutants are divided, so these are the topics, right? So I think that guys it is enough for today guys, so let's end the video guys. See you, bye bye.